Welcome to the future of farming. Forget endless sweat. Today's machines do the heavy lifting. From drones that scan fields to harvest trailers that sort fruit midair, and even robots that stream their work live. Agriculture isn't old-fashioned anymore. It's smarter, faster, and cooler than ever. From orchards to open fields, let's explore the technology that's redefining what it means to farm. First up, meet the Roax JD, an automatic turf cleaning combine that promises to boost business profitability several times over. Assuming your business revolves around planting and trimming grass. Built on the John Deere 61 platform, this machine packs a 30-meter setup, a 24 by 24 transmission, auto square plus, and all-wheel drive. In short, it's a green beast on four wheels. So what does it do? The Roax JD slices off the topsoil and rolls into tidy turf burritos, each 40 to 60 centimeters wide. An automated system then stacks up to 5 rolls on pallets with surprising elegance. It can reach speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour, and if trash sneaks onto conveyor, the smart system ejects it instantly. This is farming efficiency with attitude. That's the Roax JD. Meet the Terracle Clear-R Rock Picker. Probably one of the most practical stone cleaners you'll find at any farm equipment dealer. This beast can scoop up solid objects from 10 to 66 centimeters in size, including boulders and cobblestones buried deep in the ground. Its speed? Around 600 stones per hour. In other words, it eats rocks for breakfast. According to its developers, the machine was built with everyday farmers in mind. After all, stone-free soil means no more damage to your combine or rake. And if buying one of these monsters is too pricey, the company's got your back. Just call them, and a team of specialists will roll up with the gear to clear your fields for you. Now, let's check out the Roper Mouse 6, a new and improved beet harvesting machine. Don't let the cute name fool you. This thing is a beast. It comes with a spacious cabin that can be hydraulically lifted up to 5 meters high, basically a penthouse on wheels. 2 adults can fit inside easily, so yes, you can bring a co-pilot to witness your farming glory. The machine features a 10-meter mechanism for scooping and shifting beets like a conveyor belt on steroids. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong Mercedes engine with a 7.7-liter capacity and 354 horsepower, meaning it chews through work without breaking a sweat. And because this is the future, the Mouse 6 comes loaded with computers for telematics, analytics, and real-time diagnostics. The only drawback? It still can't cook borscht or dice vegetables for your vinaigrette. But hey, nobody's perfect. Meet the Expand R5090, the trailer that transforms fruit picking into a high-speed operation. Equipped with a retractable canvas roll, it catches falling fruit like a giant trampoline. But instead of kids bouncing, you get apples, pears, and peaches. Once collected, the fruit is instantly sorted and cleaned by powerful fans. In practice, just 2 people can process up to 300 kilograms in one go. That's about 80% more efficient than most other systems, meaning less sweat and more juice. To run this beast, you'll need a tractor with at least 40 horsepower. The trailer itself weighs over 3 tons, and each axle can handle more than 3 tons of load. Translation, it's tough enough that before you realize it, the trees are stripped clean, leaving you wondering, wait, weren't there apples here a second ago? Next up is a Pelling
Machine
Almonds
purpose-built for dense
CV45,
olive orchards.
a machine
It's got
purpose-built for dense olive
TV45,
orchards.
a machine slicing
combines
olives
the
with
holy
surgical
trinity of
precision
farming
while
gear,
leaving the branches and leaves
maneuverability,
untouched.
performance, and
With a
ease of
trained
use.
on farming anymore,
Just hook it up to
that's
an ordinary
agriculture
tractor
on
and
fast
watch it
forward.
work.
It cruises
Slicing
through,
olives
hook it
with
up to an
surgical
ordinary
precision
tractor.
while leaving
Here comes the
branches
Pelling
and
Almonds
leaves
lines, the
untouched.
holy trinity of farming
Trained
gear,
operator.
performance and ease
This
of
machine
use.
can harvest up to 10
And watch it go to
hectares
work,
in a single
slip
day.
5 and
That's
6
not
kilometers
farming
per
anymore.
hour.
That's
And it's twin
agriculture
bunker
for
orchards at
fast
speeds between
It
1.10
cruises with
hectares
orchards
in
at
just
speeds
one
between
workday.
1.5
That's
and
not
6
or
kilometers per hour.
surprisingly cheap.
And its twin bunkers
Something you'll
can carry up to
definitely appreciate. The
3.3
best part?
tons of olives.
Its component
Best
operator,
part?
this beast can
Its
harvest up to
components
10.
are surprisingly
Maneuverability,
affordable.
3 tons of
Detail
olives.
any farmer
When
running
you're running olives on an industrial scale.
will definitely appreciate. Next up, meet the Nexo Combine, the first machine designed to handle every stage of farming. With its wide base and swappable modules, it can plow, sow, protect, and harvest all in one. Module changes take just one person under 10 minutes. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of agriculture. It's powered by two 550 horsepower diesel engines driving electric generators, paired with a unique Y-grip motion system that keeps wheel compaction under 5%. That means more yield with less soil damage. While full automation is still on the horizon, one thing is clear. Farmers who want an edge will want a Nexo before their neighbors do. And if your tractor-trailer keeps sinking in mud or tearing up the soil, there's a simple fix. Put it on a crawler platform. While NASA is busy building drones for Mars, here on Earth the A's company has created something a little more grounded. The Abbott 2.055W4 autonomous mower. Think of it as a Ferrari of lawnmowers. Powered by a 2.9-liter four-stroke diesel engine, pushing out 75 horsepower, it cruises at speeds of up to 13 kilometers per hour. Not bad for a machine built just to cut grass. The brains match the brawn. With an 85-liter per minute pump and ultrasonic sensors that protect the blade from rocks, or even that shovel you forgot in the yard. It's available in multiple wheel width configurations, and the price ranges between $225,000 and $247,000. Pricey, yes, but mowing at 13 kilometers per hour with NASA-grade tech was never going to come cheap.